Hey everybody, it's Jenna from the Up North Home, and today I wanted to show you a quick recipe on easy homemade mayo. Alright, so for our homemade easy mayonnaise, you're going to need a low flavored oil, and I will be using avocado oil today. You'll need an acid like lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Fresh squeezed, you can use that too if you have it. You will want a mustard of some kind. I'm using Dijon mustard, or you could omit it if you don't like mustard. Also, you'll need some salt and an egg. Alright, so I have a wide mouth jar here, and I went ahead and cracked my egg into the jar. I am using the whole egg here. Okay, and next I'll be adding 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of salt, depending on your taste. Okay, next I am adding 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of your mustard, depending on your preferred taste. And next I am adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Alright, and last we are adding our oil. So here is my avocado oil, 1 cup full. Alright, and now we are going to whisk it with our stick blender. Alright, so this is the stick blender that I have. I got it years ago from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's just a Cuisinart Smart Stick. And we are going to start all the way to the bottom, right on the egg, and we're just going to start blending. And as it turns creamy, we're going to move up and incorporate everything into it. Is it. There is our nice and creamy homemade mayonnaise. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and if you try it out, let me know. I would love to hear. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.